afternoon students. Welcome to class 9 biology class. Last video you have learned the self-pollination and the cross-pollination. Today I am going to discuss mechanisms of cross-pollination. Okay, the mechanism of cross-pollination. Mechanism of cross-pollination means cross-pollination is done by the help of agent. Different types of agent, mainly two agents given in your book. This is the first one, the abiotic agents and biotic agents. Abiotic agents, only two. This is the abiotic agents, the wind pollinations, or it is called anemophily, and wind and water, it is called hydrophily. Okay, the water and wind. Actually, this chapter is very much easiest chapters and have to know this wind pollination characteristic features have to know properly. Okay, characteristic wind pollination characteristic features, the water pollination. First one, the wind pollination. Wind pollination, the pollination of the pollen can transfer from the anther to stigma by the help of wind. By the help of wind, as a what is the agent of wind. And the characteristic features of the particular flower, the wind pollination, the pollen grain very small, light, they can easily blown the air, and also they produce large amount of the pollen grains, and the stigma, the filiary, they can easily they receive the pollen grain. These all are the characteristic features. And also there are large stamens which have a long filament. Also last one is a long filament, and the flowers have the long stalk. Above that they can easily exposed to air. The flowers, the long stalk, they easily exposed to the air and easily release the pollen grain in the air. The pollen grain light, small. All other, and there is no petals, means no bright colored petals. So these characteristic features of wind pollination flowers. Okay. Then water. Water pollination also have the different characteristics. Actually, the water in the help of the water pollination occurs in the aquatic plant. Varicinaria, giving you example, Varicinaria, Hydrilla, all this is by the help of water. This one importance by the help of water, and this is the important characteristics of the water. This is the flower, the pollen can produce large number. Obviously, pollen can produce large number. Also, the lightweight, they can easily float on the surface of the water, and they have the waxy coating. Okay, and they cannot. Otherwise, if you not waxy coating or the waterproof, they easily absorb the water. And otherwise, in some plant, the pollen grain have the specific gravity to equal to water. They can float below the water surface. And also the plant is a dioecious, means male and female flower born on the separate plant. Male and female flower on the born with the separate means on the dioecious plant. This is called, actually all are the characteristic features of the wind pollination flower and water pollination. Wind pollination is called anemophily, and water pollination is called hydrophily. Hydro means water. Okay. Next, biotic agent. Biotic agent, different types of biotic agents: insect, birds, also mammals. Okay. First, biotic agent to the insect. You see in the garden many types of insect, then butterfly and honeybee, wasp. They help actually pollination. The first, the pollination by insect. And what are the characteristic features of that flower particular? It is called, the pollination by the insect is called entomophily. Entomophily, and the flowers are large and brightly colored. They easily attract by the insect and also produce the nectar, and the petals are scanted with the nectars. And sometimes the many flowers have the marking which are visible in ultraviolet ray. Bee can see the ultraviolet lights and thus can recognize and pollinate the flowers. Many flowers have the marking, okay, and which are the visible, only the visible in the UV ray. And the bee, they can recognize the UV, can see the UV ray, easily recognize the flower and pollinate the particular flowers. And the pollen grains are large, smooth, and also sticky. They can also stick in the insects' legs, and also the stigma, also the sticky. They can easily attract this pollen grain. They receive the pollen grain. Okay, and all these things are the biotic agent, including this is the insect. And third one is the birds and the animals. Animals including the birds. Birds is called ornithophily, and mammals and the birds you know, this is the example of the birds begonia. The example include the hummingbird. The birds do not have the keen of smell but excellent vision. The flowers, what is the flower? The bright color, iris color, they produce large nectars. Okay, all these things characteristic features of birds. And the mammals, pollination by mammals, instantly, this is the pollination of mammals. Mammals means even this is the elephant and also the bat, squirrel. This is including in mammals. Okay, and the example given in the book is the rafflesia. This is a very big flower, rafflesia, and this is a help of elephant, whose flower very large at the ground level. You see the ground level, and the pollen grain of one flower may get attached to feet of the elephant, and the pollen grain they attach the feet of the elephant, and after when it step on touch on other flower, after that when they touch the other flower, this type the feet, they can easily pollinate, or the pollen grain attached to the stigma. This is actually talking about the rafflesia, very big flower and the pollinated by elephant. Okay, this is very much interesting. Okay, this is the mechanism of cross pollination is completed, and there are two types of agent, abiotic agent and biotic agents. Only characteristic features have to know. I hope it is clear. You have any doubt, you can ask to take note.